The Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, in Catania reported the latest developments affecting one of the world's most active and extensive volcanoes. Today, Mount Etna's volcanic activity has again entered a dangerous phase after a new lava flow was detected emerging from within the volcano. At around 6 p.m. local time, experts recorded the formation of a new vent near the Monte Simone area, at an altitude of approximately 2,100 meters above sea level. From this new vent, incandescent lava began to erupt and flow slowly but steadily, carrying extremely hot magma capable of destroying anything in its path. This scene clearly demonstrates that pressure within the volcano remains extremely high and far from stable. The lava flow then moved down the steep slopes towards the Valle del Bove caldera, a giant basin that has served as a natural outlet for Etna's lava flows. However, observers note that the intensity and continuity of the current flow indicate a potentially more serious threat than previous episodes. The fiery red glow of the lava flow was clearly visible even from a distance, illuminating the twilight sky and creating an eerie atmosphere. At the time of this latest update, the tip of the lava flow has reportedly reached the southern area of Rocca Massara. While not yet directly threatening settlements, the continued movement of the lava has raised concerns about the possibility of a change in flow direction or the opening of fissures, leading to a new eruption. Mount Etna's long history shows that it often changes its behavior suddenly, without reliable warning. Seismic vibrations accompanying the lava flow are also being closely monitored. Preliminary data indicate increased volcanic activity, indicating that magma is still actively moving beneath the surface. Thick smoke and toxic volcanic gases are reportedly continuing to billow from the eruption area, adding to the unseen threat that poses health and safety risks. For local residents and authorities, this situation presents a real tension. Mount Etna is not just a volcano, but a living force of nature, capable of transforming the landscape, blocking roads, and triggering sudden eruptions within hours. Each new lava flow reminds us that, despite centuries of study, Etna still has a deceptive side that science has not yet fully tamed. The INGV continues to monitor the volcano continuously, updating its analysis based on thermal imagery, satellite data, and field observations. The public is urged to remain vigilant and follow official developments, as Etna's volcanic activity is ongoing and could escalate to a more severe phase in the near future. Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano, erupted again on Saturday, January 31st, on the Italian island of Sicily. This sparked panic in tourist areas on the slopes, after dramatic video footage circulated on social media showing tourists running down the mountain to escape the thick volcanic cloud rising above them. The Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, stated in an official statement that the eruptive activity began at 3:50 a.m. local time. The eruption was preceded by increased volcanic tremors detected since around 10 p.m. Sunday night, June 1st. These tremors signaled the beginning of a buildup of magma pressure within the volcano. Volcanologists explained that Mount Etna is experiencing a strombolian eruption of increasing intensity. This type of eruption is generally characterized by periodic outbursts of incandescent lava, ash, and volcanic gas, and is generally considered a relatively low-hazard eruption. However, increasing intensity still poses a risk, especially for climbers and tourists near the crater. The situation became more serious when pyroclastic flows, a dangerous mixture of hot rock, ash, and gas, were observed by surveillance cameras around 11:30 a.m. local time. INGV stated that the phenomenon was most likely caused by the collapse of material from the northern flank of Mount Etna's southeast crater. The pyroclastic flows moved northeastward, but so far have not reportedly extended beyond Valle del León, a valley located at the foot of Etna's summit crater. Authorities confirmed that close monitoring is continuing to anticipate potential further developments in activity. In addition, explosive activity from the southeast crater also produced three main lava flows. The first flow moved south, the second east, and the third north. According to INGV, all three lava flows have now entered a cooling phase and are not showing significant movement.